He was laying on my blanket on the couch, so I grabbed him and wrapped him up, and here he is, right down here. Right here, in the bottom of this sack. You'll see how unhappy he is right now. What's up, Rufus? Are you happy right now? You're not happy right now, are you? I think he's just disoriented. He's confused as to what happened. Let's do this again. He just meowed.
He's like, no!
Oh, Rufus. I'm sorry. Let's do something fun. Okay, I'll put you down. Yeah, let's see how disoriented and angry he is now. You okay? I know you'll get me back later on.